In practical terms, what will happen to the incidents that are being investigated and assessed by this building? Some 500 incidents about what Israel has done in Gaza. Will any conclusions from those investigations see the light of day before there's a transition? How might that process be impacted? I know there's Churg, I know there's lawyers working in this building. Can you say whether there will be any, how do you make sure that this administration's work on those incidents will see light of day and be part of what you guys have done so that that's public?
So I can't put a timetable on when we will reach conclusion to any of those investigations, but I can say that the obligation to follow the law is not an obligation that stops when there is a change in government, a change in power. Every administration has the obligation to follow the law and to look into potential misuse of weapons that have been provided by the United States or potential violations of international humanitarian law. That's just the law. Are
you worried, though, that could be impacted at all? That's why I'm asking whether there could be any conclusions. Are there any conclusions that this administration would want to reach on any of those incidents? We want
to reach those conclusions as soon as we can, separate and apart from January 20th and separate and apart from any change in government. And that's true whether Vice President Harris had been elected. It's true now that Donald Trump has been elected. It's something that we are working to bring to a conclusion as soon as we can. But any work that is midstream in a change of government, if it's work that's required under the law, that's work that's supposed to continue.
الانتخابات هذه لا بتأثر في فلسطين، بل بالعكس بتزيد على معاناة الشعب الفلسطيني وبتزيد على حجم الحصار، بل بالعكس بتزيد كمان اللي هو مساعدة الإسرائيليين، واللي زي ترامب احنا عارفينه يعني إنسان هوجائي متعصب متطرف، فحيأثر سلبا على الشعب الفلسطيني.
احنا كفلسطينيين مش فارقه عنا، لان مفيش واحد بيجي يعمل لصالحنا، ولا واحد بيجي يعمل لصالحنا، لا ترامب ولا اللي غيره ولا اللي حيجي بعده. كله بدعم اسرائيل اول باول، واحنا ولا واحد بدعمنا ولا واحد بيقف معنا.
بتأمل من الله انه يكون هو رجل سلام يحلنا وبكفي دماء. يعني انت شايف كيف الشوارع كيف صارت، فيش ولا بيت الا صار فيه شهيد، فيه جريح، فيه مصيبه.
هذا المختار مش عملنا قبل هيك المختار، لا عملنا عنده